Sound of vowel O.
Sound of vowel O.
Rose,
Rose.
cock,
Cock.
oak,
Oak.
crow,
Crow.
frog,
Frog.
clock.
Clock.
Fold,
Fold.
cold,
Cold.
gold,
Gold.
sold.
Gold.
মনোযোগ দিয়ে পড়বো সবাই। Moon,
Moon.
noon,
Moon.
spoon,
Spoon.
loom.
Loom.
Cook,
Cook.
hook,
Cook.
look,
Look.
book.
Book.
Town,
Town.
down,
Down.
gown,
Down.
crown.
Crown.
Clock,
Clock.
knock,
Knock.
rock,
Rock.
frog.
Frog.
Mouse,
Mouse.
house,
House.
douse,
Down.
rouse.
Rouse.
Now here, which one is consonant and which one is vowel? খুব দ্রুত বলবো। A is O is vowel, L is consonant, D is vowel. একসাথে বলবো যাতে বোঝা যায়। আফিফ, don't talk. Then chord. C is consonant, O is vowel, L is consonant, D is consonant. Very good. আচ্ছা, আফরা say now. আফরা, gold. You say gold. জোরে বলবো।
is consonant, O is vowel, L is consonant, D is consonant.
Thank you. Afif says sword. Okay, Afif says sword.
S is consonant, O is vowel, L is consonant, D is consonant.
Okay, now Shafin says sword. Sword দিয়ে বলো।
S is consonant, O is vowel,
L
S is consonant, D is consonant.
Okay, now what's your name? Sadman. Sadman you say with moon. Moon দিয়ে বলো।
S is consonant, O is vowel, L is consonant.
Excellent. Arisha say moon. Arisha, হ্যাঁ, Arisha. Noon. জোরে বলবো। N is consonant, O is consonant. Okay. Now Iftikhar you say with loom. Loom দিয়ে বলো। L.
L is consonant, O is vowel, O is vowel, M is consonant.
Okay, Numair, why you are talking with him? Now you say book. Book দিয়ে বলো। B is জোরে বলবো।
Consonant,
Okay. Then
O is
হ্যাঁ,
vowel,
vowel. Violet না vowel. Then another O is vowel. K is consonant. আশেপাশে কথা বলবো না, ঠিক আছে? So বাসায় আমরা কি করব? You just write down any words, then you find out which one is consonant. Now we will do right.